Alright, left. Finally. Dropped my stuff off that I'm not taking, like the things that I'm moving. And now I'm stopped. I think I'm in Jackson. And trying to do some repairs. I got a shovel and I'm trying to mount it to the roof. But I decided to not bring a drill or drill bit. So I'm trying to use this little, oh my gosh, little tiny self-tapper screws. It's not going well, but I'll get it. I just thought about, actually I'm not sure. I'm not sure if this hole is 1/4 20. If it is, I can just get some of that hardware that I already have, pull up one of these rails and mount it that way. I'm gonna check that. Okay, no go on that. It is different, or it's bigger. I really should have brought my drill, even if I only had like one last time to use it. I mean, I'm sure this wouldn't take that much battery power. So this and then another time. Damn. And then the other problem is this screw, or this, oh my gosh. I gotta make another hole, but one that's not in that channel, unless I find a longer screw than this one, which is only 1 inch long. Look again. Alright, it looks like I don't have any other option but to make another hole. Damn it. Or just put it inside and deal with it later. I really like to not have it inside. This is like one of those things that you do one time and you're just like, yeah, that's never gonna happen again. But then it probably does happen again. Just, you know, later, not on the same day or whatever. It almost makes me think about turning around and going back to get my drill. But I really don't want to backtrack. You know, I have 64 hours to go still. It's quite a ways. But how long is this going to take? You know, is this going to take an hour? Oh! I was kind of waiting until I finally did that. Alright, so that's one. Trying to like hold this to put more pressure down, but not not in a way that I'll like stab myself. Also, oh my gosh, I apologize for constantly clearing my throat. I was sick for a while, which delayed me leaving, and I still have the cough and stuff like in my throat, so at least I sound a lot better. I sounded like a frog for a bit, which which is great. I just can't do this. Yes, I can. Come on. Motivation. Here we go. I just saw some people that I know. It's kind of funny running into, or people passing by that you know when you just come to a small town 8 hours from where you just live. You just live from, you know. Oh my gosh, yes. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Whoa, it almost fell all the way down. Now it fell down. Okay. Now I have all three again. I think this one is, that one's done. I think I have a deep enough hole that I can actually put down some. Oh! Did I speak too soon? Did I just break the screw? No. Okay. So that was cool. It just fell into the first screw, the first hole that I made. There. Yay! I have a hole. A second hole. That sounds weird, I know. Okay. Nothing crazy, but I can't see anything. Oh my gosh. So I'm gonna point at it. It's right there. The first one I did is down there, but the screws are too short. So that doesn't work. Now I can't get this to stay up. There we go. Okay. So now the little holder clamp thing. Down. Try to see if Ace Hardware. So there's that one. Now, am I gonna make a second hole? I don't know. I might just tie the front and then just be done. I really don't know. I'll give it a shot, actually. give it a shot, see what happens. So it'll be on this side. Hello. It'll be like over here. Sure, why not? That's measuring. Actually, this is gonna be a little bit more of a pain in the butt because this is a thinner tube. You can see the difference in size. Actually, they look different too. This one has grooves. This is 1.5 inches. This one's only 1 inch, which means the surface that I was just making a hole in is even smaller than this one. I could go off the solar panel. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. It's going to be easier. Oh, I don't know, because I'm doing it sideways. We'll see. We'll see what happens. There. Right against that. If I had some sort of sleeve that was just the right size and could hold the screw, that would be cool. But I don't. Like hold the screw on the screwdriver to stop it from jumping off. This is not working. Alright, so I've decided I am going to get a super cheap small electric screwdriver thing, USB charge capable, with a 1/4 hex socket, and I'm gonna get that. Oh, someone. I'm gonna get that just for things like this. Doesn't need to have a whole lot of power, but it'll be able to hold a drill bit and start or make a hole, and be way easier than this because it'll hold it instead of me trying to use a screw on a screwdriver. It's starting. Okay. Awesome. Yeah, this is way easier, a lot thinner. And then I was able to use the bracket pulling towards me to hold it on. I mean, it jumped off sometimes, but kind of worked out. So that one there on the side. That one's they're facing up. I think this might be too low. Okay, shovel is mounted. So I'll just like tie like right here as a safety and good to go.